Today I will be unboxing a new designer handbag. And when I say new, not just new from the store, but newly released. This is a different version of one of my favorite bags, and there's something very special about it. If you want to know what that is, stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Today's video is in collaboration with one of my friends here on YouTube, Dawn Loves Couture. She purchased another piece from this collection, something different from mine. So once you're done watching my video, please be sure to go over and check out hers and see what she got and what she thinks of it. Okay, let's get into this. I did purchase this directly from the manufacturer. That was the only way to get it at the time. As far as I know, it still is. I have my receipt, and inside the box is the gift packaging from Longchamp. There's some kind of little card with a hole cut out of it. Not sure what that's supposed to attach to, because there's not really a place on here that it would make sense. Here is their wrapping. I think this is standard wrapping. I don't remember asking for gift wrap, but who knows. They have the dark green bag with the bright lime green writing on it, and then the paper bag unties with this ribbon. It's pretty eco-friendly packaging as they go, I would say. The inside is all that lime green. I love that. And inside of there they have my item. The Longchamp tissue paper does have the LGP on it. There's also a little clear sticker that has their horse and rider logo on it. And miraculously, I was just able to pull that sticker off without tearing the tissue paper. Now I can put that in my journal. Any guesses what this could be? Let's go ahead and open it up. Yes. Hello. Oh, that is adorable. Close-up Autumn at your service. This is the Longchamp Pliage in the extra small size. And this is in collaboration with graffiti artist Andre. I'll tell you a little more about him in a minute, but first let's take a look at the bag. If you watch my channel, you know that I love the Longchamp Pliage extra small. It is the perfect bag. It is really wonderful. I think it rivals the Speedy, especially the small ones. It just has everything. It comes folded flat, but when you expand it, you get several inches of space. It fits so much. It has the classic Pliage handle and flap. And of course the flap can be annoying on any of the Pliage bags, but you learn to deal with it. It has these top handles, and there's also a crossbody strap inside that we will get to in a minute. The artwork that you see on the bag, the XO and then the blowing a kiss, that is Andre's Mrs. A Kiss, which is one of his graffiti characters. I'll give you another spin. So there's the front of the bag. You've got the green ears. The glazing is clear or green. It's the same color. It's just an all green bag. There's no contrast stitching or contrast glazing or anything. The button is green. Spin it to the back and it's just plain green everywhere. It's just an entirely green bag except for a little design on the front. Let's open it up, and they've packaged it nicely with some tissue paper here. This bag has silver hardware, silver snap on the bottom, and then the silver zipper pull. What I like to do, by the way, with this flap, and it works really well for me on these extra small bags, is if you just pull it behind that second handle, it stays there and it stays out of your way. So then you just fold that handle back and unzip it, and it's really easy. You don't have to bother with that flap. Some cardboard inside to keep it structured, the crossbody strap, and there's something special on the interior that I did not know about. See, it's all lined in white. There's no pocket on the front of the bag, but there is a pocket on the back. It's a slip pocket. And check this out. I thought maybe that would fold out so I could pull it out of the bag, but it doesn't. I'll have to do it another way. The pocket has this little design on it that says Longchamp and Andre, and it has, I assume Andre designed this. It has a horse with the XO and the heart with the rays coming out of it. So that's a nice detail. And the tag on the inside of the bag says Longchamp Paris, made in China. I'm gonna open up the crossbody strap so you can see that on the bag. Just like with the other nylon Longchamp extra small bag, this has a leather strap, and just like with those straps, the corners, the edges on this are really sharp. They're not going to cut you, but they're not that comfortable, so just be aware of that. It's a pretty stiff piece of leather. It looks like it has about 6 inches of adjustment here. And on this bag, the silver hardware attaches to the ears with swivel hooks, so you can put the strap on at any point and twist it to get it straight. So when I say it attaches to the ears, it attaches over here, which is where the ears are. Some of the Longchamp Le Pliage extra small bags will have little D-rings inside the handles, and the strap will attach there, so that's why I wanted to point that out. Now, this collaboration between Longchamp and Andre, I'm going to take this strap off so it's not in my way. It is still available on the Longchamp website, or at least some pieces are. I think this particular one is sold out, but they have the extra small bag, they have the large Le Pliage tote with the longer shoulder handles, they have some of the little city pouches, and there was one leather duffel bag. There are also t-shirts and scarves. So you can go check that out, and of course I'll have it linked below. Overall, the bags in the collection come in 4 different colors. This green, a light blue, a pink, and a white. I don't think there was a black. I could be wrong. Pretty sure it was just those 4 colors. Oh, and I was wrong. White isn't one of the colors. It's pink, blue, green, and black. Why did I choose the green? Well, if you watch my channel, you know green is one of my favorite colors, and I have several green bags in my collection now. I also got this very specifically to match these 2 Longchamp bags of mine, the Le Pliage large tote and the Le Pliage extra large duffel bag. I use these all the time for travel, and I thought this would be a great piece to go with them. I can wear it by itself, I could wear it with the tote if I need a handbag and then some extra space for my computer or something, or I can wear it when I'm traveling. It could also potentially act as a smaller pouch in one of these larger green bags. This graffiti artist, Andre, personally, I had never heard of him. He works out of Europe, but apparently he's pretty well known in the graffiti art world. And his philosophy, based on the research that I did from his website, which I will also link below, is that a lot of graffiti tends to be negative, and it tends to clutter up spaces that are already abandoned or downtrodden. You get the picture. And what he does is creates graffiti that is positive. So he has this character, Mr. A. Like I said, this is Mrs. A Kiss. She's blowing a kiss here. And his characters are lively and positive. They're supposed to make you feel happy when you see them. So I thought that was a nice message. I will say, to be perfectly honest, I would love to have just the green bag and not have the design on it, because it doesn't really do anything for me. But it's not so overpowering that it bothers me. I think it's cute enough. I think any outfit I want to wear a bright green bag with, that'll probably work with it just fine. And if not, I have other green bag options. This is a recycled canvas, and it is coated just like with the regular Le Pliage line. It's coated on the inside, to be more specific. I'll give you a quick mod shot of this in case you've not seen the extra small bags, and that'll give you a little bit of an idea of the size and how it looks. Also, here it is next to the mini Speedy, so it is bigger than that and more spacious. I do have other videos in the Le Pliage extra small bags, which is why I'm not going into too much detail about this and what fits and all that. I'll try to find some of those and link them below. The strap here is set at the center length, and there is not a little loop to keep the bottom of the strap down, but that's how it looks. Just like that. It's a great bag. I found these to be so versatile and easy to wear, and they also seem to wear well. And that brings us to the end of the video. Please make sure you go watch Dawn Loves Couture's video on what she purchased from this collection. I will have that linked below for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.